Struggling with inverse of matrices? What if I tell you that you can solve it in just 2 minutes? Yes, no confusion, no long steps, just a simple trick. Stay till the end, and you will never forget this concept. First, what is an inverse matrix? It is like division for matrices. If A multiplied by A inverse equals the identity matrix, then A inverse is the inverse of A. But remember one important condition: the determinant should not be 0. This is the only formula you need to remember. Inverse equals 1 divided by determinant multiplied by adjoint. So we just need 3 steps. Find determinant. Find adjoint, multiply. This is the fastest method. Just remember this pattern. Swap the diagonal elements. Change the signs of the off-diagonal elements. That is your adjoint instantly. Let us take an example. A equals 2, 3, 1, 4. Determinant equals 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 1, which is 8 minus 3 equals 5. Adjoint, swap gives 4 and 2. Change sign gives minus 3 and minus 1, so inverse equals 1 by 5, multiplied by 4 minus 3, minus 1, 2. See, just 2 minutes. Students lose marks because of these mistakes: forgetting determinant, not changing signs properly, trying inverse when determinant is 0.